Engraving bits like this one work great for sign making. Sign making is one of the more popular things for people to do on their CNC machine, and it's a great way for you to try to monetize that machine by selling some signs. Now don't be afraid to think outside the box a little bit and get away from traditional wood products. For instance, this is man-made decking. It works great for exterior signs. Switching to a 90-degree V-grooving bit will allow you to create letters that are very easy to read but still maintain a lot of detail. They look great. The cuts don't require any sanding, and the material doesn't require any finishing. It's ready to go live outside. Our next sign starts with an upcut spiral bit. This cutter will remove most of the waste from the sign. Now look carefully at the material here. This is pretty cool. This is ash veneer laid over a walnut backer. As the ash is cut through, it exposes the walnut backer, which creates a great contrast and makes for a very attractive and easy to read sign. The detailing of the sign is done with a 60-degree V-bit. This creates a crisply cut letter that really allows the letters to stand out from the background. They are very sharply cut and really look great. This V-carve approach to sign making creates letters that look very much like they were hand carved. The final sign has wonderful contrast and sharp letters.